Morning guys, so currently now I'm having this banana and then to go head on the road to go to the market. And I was supposed to go on Sunday. I went on Sunday but I didn't get what I want, so I'm going back today. Banana is one of my favorite food, but I prefer to have it like with cereal, like to cut it up and eat it like with cornflakes. Alright, let's go. So come. Since the bridge opened, traffic in the area has been heavy. Like I'm going to show you the traffic when I reach to the road. So currently now I'm heading to the market, yeah, to see if I get some some fish, because I went on Sunday and by the time I reached there, fish was already finished. So I tried back again today another time to see if I better look this night. I already made my order already, so I hope she keep it for me. I was trying to get to her this morning but couldn't find her number in my phone, so I'm gonna get it back again. Yesterday was my final exam, so I'm on a break now. I'm happy about that. Yeah, so now you guys will get more videos than usual since I have more time. The exams were okay. Yeah, I did my best and I feel good about it, so I'm expecting good results. And traffic. Well, we'd have to expect that because it's not like say the road widen or anything like that. So having more traffic on the same stretch of road. Yeah, this is what they get. So this is the bridge and all the vehicles coming in from Diamond. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Mocha Market. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
You leave back fish for me?
And make sure you leave your fish.
Okay,
You
okay,
get some
that's good.
4 nice big ones.
That's a good one. That's
Philip,
good.
it's ready for you. Banga Market is Sunday here.
Oh,
You
this
can
Sunday?
come and see what's going on
Alright.
with your camera.
Yeah, man. This is the first one for the year, right?
Yeah?
This is going to be first one for the year.
Yes.
Alright. So I'm going to have to come with my camera and my money.
Yeah, you can come with your camera then.
Nice, fresh vegetables. And over here have fruits.
Me.
Yes, thanks be to God she saved the fish for me. Yeah, I was like praying before I come that I get the fish. So again, go home, make my breakfast and then I season them up and put them in the fridge to chill, and then I cook them for dinner later on. Yeah, I wanted to share to you the scripture that I read this morning. While I was coming and I saw the traffic, I kind of got distracted, but the scripture is from Matthew 11 verse 24. It's a scripture my mom shared me and I'm sharing it with you. It said, whatever you pray for, believe and he shall receive. Yeah, I'm quoting it. I'm not quoting it word for word. I'll have it on the screen. So it's whatever you pray for, believe and he shall receive. So when you're praying, God, don't just pray, but also trust that whatever you pray for, he's going to grant it to you and you shall receive. Bring back his words to him, like he can't lie. So bring it back to him and show him, pray, believe and you receive. On the brighter side with the traffic, it's kind of better for some of the passengers, or let me say persons who commute by bus or taxi, because some of the ones coming from Diamond are not full, so they can. I see a lot of persons standing at the bridge just waiting for one of the Diamond buses instead of only depending on the Mocha buses. Yeah, because sometime what they have to do is like to take a taxi to the main road, and then from the main road get a bus going to Georgetown. So it's kind of like more easier for them. Yes, about to season my fish now. I'm gonna use this season that I got from Roy's when I was at the exhibit, fish season, and it has a nice packaging right here. You can see like the fishes, and it's clear like the swimming. Yes, I'll be trying out this season from Roy's.
Here we have on display some of the products that we manufacture.
Yeah.
So we have seasoning mixes. One as a sample.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. She really do most of the thing for me already with the fish. Clean it, scale it, fillet it. So the thing I need to do is just separate it in halves. Yes, because they kind of come like home. Yeah, so that's it. And then cut them in half because they're too long to reach into the pot for when I'm gonna fry them. But I'm gonna leave back 2 and I'll be baking those. I tried baked fish the other day for the first time and I was like, seems like me I eat fish the wrong way all of my life. It tasted so good. So I'm gonna try baking 1 whole fish, 1/2 each. I'm gonna set these to a side to bake, and then the rest I'm gonna fry. So let me just get them out of the way. Alright, so I'll bring them back. So this is where I'm going to separate them because the one that I'll be baking, I don't want any egg on it. Yeah, I want this one to be dry. So, but these that I'm going to be frying, these can be wet. Egg. The egg give it a crunch when it fries that I like. So now again add the season to it. It can have a dark, like a curry color like. Okay, so we're going to it now. Already smells good. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the fridge until dinner time. No, for these now that will be going in the oven. So what I did for this one was that I mix up the green season with the powdered seasoning, and again add it to the fish like kind of like a paste. So like this. Again, did that back and front. Right, so. Alright, so this is how it look. I just finished one. Get into the other one now. And the one and put some in a slit that it has here. Yeah. It'll come out very delicious. Yeah, and I just finished with this one as well. then put some more onion on top. Ready for the oven. So I have in the fish with some rice. Alright, so this is the fried fish. Okay, it tastes good, man. You guys can definitely try out this season. The only thing I'll say is that you should have add salt to it. Yeah, the season is fresh. Yes, you should add salt to it. I didn't add any cause I didn't know, but the taste of it is good. I like it. You're going to try the grilled chicken, grilled fish. I'm going to try the fish now. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, so this is it. It is swimming in its own water, looking delicious. So let me see how it goes now. I'll take some piece of the onion to it. It tastes good. As I said, it tastes good, man. Yeah, his season can go on. It tastes good. As I said, the only thing you guys would need to do is add salt to it. Yeah, but it is good. So thank you, Roy. Your season tastes good, man. Big up yourself. Peace be with you guys. See you in the next video.